Crochet BAT Candy Holder Tutorial. Easy and beginner-friendly. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. First, make 2 wings. Make a slip knot. Make 7 chain. Turn and make 6 single crochet. Chain 1 and turn. Make for single crochet. Turn, skip 1 stitch and make slip stitch. Chain and then make the half double crochet in the same stitch. Make half double crochet on the last stitch and chain. Cut the yarn and leave a long tail to sew the wings. Hide the first yarn like mine to make easier when we connect it to the body. We just sew this small part to the body. Now let's make the body. Make a magic ring. Make 6 single crochet in a magic ring. Increase 6 times. Make single crochet and then increase. Repeat 6 times. From row 4 to 6, make 18 single crochet each row. At row 6, just stop for a while to make ears. Use the other end of the yarn to make ears. Slip the yarn from row 3 and make 3 chain. Slip stitch at the second chain from hook. Single crochet on the last chain. Slip stitch at row 2 and then cut the yarn. Repeat the process to make second ear, but this time we start from row 2. Slip the yarn at row 3 and make 3 chain. Slip stitch at the second chain from hook. Single crochet on the last chain. Slip stitch at row 3 and cut the yarn. Insert all ends of the yarn and lock by tying it twice. Cut the remaining yarn. Flip and start to make mouth and teeth. Make a line at row 4 to make a mouth. Tie to secure and cut. Make to line of teeth at row 5. Tie to secure and cut. Continue making the body part in row 7 to 8. Make 18 single crochet each row. Sew the wings at row 6 and 7. Insert the slip yarn at row 6 and then sew the long yarn from row 7 to 6. Secure the yarn with tie 2 times. Sew the second wings. Continue to sew the body from row 9 to 11 with 18 single crochet each row. At row 12, make chain 2 times, skip to end, then single crochet. Repeat 6 times. End with chain and cut the yarn. I use hot glue to stick the eyes. Insert the ribbon. Yes, done. Let's insert the lollipop candy and make a bow to make it cute. If you like this project, don't forget to give this video likes. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you're not gonna miss another cute crochet project on my YouTube channel.